Flatiron Mountain. Awesome. You can see the stars. Look at all my tires. I paid $40 a piece for these tires, $160 total at the used tire shop like 5 months ago. Everybody's getting $1,000 tires. Just get used ones for $160. One breaks down, wears tread down, pick another one that matches. The brand doesn't matter. The brand doesn't matter, just the tread. Make sure the tread matches and you're good. Let's get a used $40 tire. No need to spend $400 on a tire. Just get a $40 one with good tread, 90% tread. Who cares about 10% tread for $400 more? Oh my God. These tires were $40 and they gone like 30,000 miles. And they're matching tread. As long as they're matching tread, you should be okay. Brand doesn't matter. And change your differential fluid every 60,000. I'm trying to find this creek though to hook up my Jokla. I'm having a hard time, people. I need to find more creek spots I could back into and hook up my shower unit. There seems to be a lack of those available. So if you got, I need more spots I can hook my Jokla hose shower to and get on-demand hot water shower in the back country. Okay, people. That's my only request. We need more on-demand hot water heaters in the back country and a hose that can connect into the river on demand whenever you want to shower. Well, okay. Here's my dent. Here's my cap. My mirror cap. Someone motorcycle ran into it and took it off. They hit my mirror cap in the lower one.